Somebody got to enjoy the show as much as
You like it?
Dad, open up. See what's. Go, come.
Holy.
Oh, man.
What are you as clean as you? What do you think about that? Why don't you get in it?
Oh my gosh!
Get in it.
Get in, get
I
in!
fell down.
Go ahead, get in it. See how it feels.
Climb over my car!
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
You getting in there the right way? Yeah! Oh my! My God, he brought a car!
But I have to have these presents.
Just unwrap your present.
Corvette.
So I get out?
Do what you want!
Did I?
Yeah, come here, Dan.
What?
Dan, come on over here. Sit down, just look through this viewfinder.
Yeah, what do you press?
Just don't press nothing for now.
Welcome to the Great Escape, television's weekly magazine travel section that takes you as far away as the ends of the earth and as near as your
Where's this book?
That's not broke. We have to put some more stuff on it.
It's got it's recording,
Tighten it.
isn't it?
I don't know what it's doing.
Bob Chandler. Your personal
Is it on?
worldwide and
The tape's moving inside.
Yeah. Yeah, it's recording now.
Oh, well, shit. You shouldn't have gave it. Should have told me. I would have been pointing it
Oh, I
somewhere.
didn't know.
I told you he was.
Had it all on the floor and everything else.
Yes.
She says, I told you you would bring that car.
I wonder what's in those presents.
Well, why don't you open them?
Now?
Yeah.
So I take this off.
Yeah. You have to open all those, Diane. They're all yours, I think.
I think so.
All those presents are dated?
What is that?
Because of so when I get
I
it up.
just look at it.
What is it?
A dollhouse.
Oh, it's furniture for the dollhouse?
Yes.
Oh, and pots and pans for the dollhouse.
Yes. And
The Great Escape is sponsored in part by the new Polaroid Impulse camera.
oh, a roller paper.
Yeah,
Yeah, and look at that.
that's a dining room set.
Cupboards.
Yeah, cupboards.
Wall cupboards are stone.
For the dining, I hope you get a dining room set. I mean, I hope you get a,
And
Daniel, go sit by the presents. You can be on the movie.
look,
Smile, Di.
terrified.
See what
Smile
else there
nice.
is.
Hey, Diane,
Hey,
open that long box
what long box?
in the back of the car.
What?
Tommy says open this big long box.
Oh, how can I open this? I can't get
I'm gonna take that sheet and throw it on that bed. In that baby bed.
Go sit over there, Dan.
Ooh, I bet what's in it, don't know.
What is
Bet
that?
your Uncle Sam ordered that.
No, Mommy got that. Mommy got
Yeah, I don't know what it could be.
Santa
Ordered
Claus.
that. Mommy from Santa?
Santa Claus got that.
Daddy.
Mommy and
Wow! Ooh.
Boy, he wrapped that stuff pretty, didn't he?
No!
Uh-oh. What is that, Diane? What is it?
A vacuum cleaner.
Is that vacuum cleaner?
Yes, yes.
Santa Claus did bring it.
He did! With the balls in it!
With the balls in it.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, that's ready.
Take it out the back.
No, you're not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it all.
Okay.
Yes,
Diane's
let's.
gonna do all the vacuuming?
Yes.
Mommy won't have to vacuum no more, huh?
No.
You want to open some of the bigger stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, I can open it when I'm done, okay? What's this? Ooh.
Come on over here and open it.
Oh.
was a kid again.
What?
Yeah, did you ever get all that? Never did.
Gonna have to get a storehouse for Diane's
I can't
toys.
get it. Oh.
Well, go ahead, tear it apart. Tear that off.
Start here.
Boy, I might even play with this, Diane.
No, that's not for you to try.
Oh, can I take your car for a ride around the block?
No, that's too little. Yours too little. You're too big for that car.
She could, she could.
Probably kind of.
Wow!
Wow!
Look at this. Ow!
She saw that in the book last night, Tommy. She said she wanted it.
Look wow. This way.
Oh. Oh, wow!
Wow! Look. But Bobby,
Look at
the light has to be on. Hey,
Got a light now? Oh yeah, the light's on. How's that light go on?
balls aren't jumping a whole lot.
Does that have batteries?
No.
It doesn't. What makes that light go on?
You like that?
yes.
A spa, tennis courts, and all the sunshine you can have.
Oh! How could this get open? I can't get this open, Uncle Tom.
Pull that. Pull it.
Here, I'll go.
I got it. I got it all by myself.
You can't blame the weather.
Wow! Oh, my beautiful thing. I love it. I love Christmas today. I like it. I love this.
She loves it.
Oh! Wow! Look, Bobby!
Oh, my God.
What is it?
Look! Look! You have to look for it. And I'll show you where I come over there with it. You have this.
Oh, Little People School.
I can go. See? Oh, Bobby! Bobby! Look!
Oh, my gosh. I think Uncle Tom ordered that from Santa Claus.
Look!
Oh, you better thank Uncle Tom for ordering it.
But I have to open up these big projects. Let's see.
Last year she didn't know how to open them, but she's not having this problem this year.
What could be?
Oh my, Diane, Main Street.
Oh, and a glass! Oh,
And all the stuff to use with it.
big!
And the ramp that goes down.
Yes! Look, the ramp! And the car goes down. It's the little car goes. What are these? Tapes?
Yeah.
Hey.
You didn't buy those, did you?
Look. I have to. What else?
Did you wrap?
Just open them as fast as you can.
Mom, please, please. Hey, open this.
Okay.
Please.
Don't pick your nose.
Wow.
I don't know what to do with this stuff.
Wait.
You want me to get another one out?
Put it out in the middle so she stands behind it.
Oh. Let's get her some room. What's this, Diane, on the floor? Huh? What's that on the floor?
What?
Those things.
Tapes. Tapes? Yeah.
Better be good at them tapes.
Huh?
You
better be good at them tapes and pick them up so nobody steps on them.
What's this over